pretimi ediama na ye benada ya transese no shootout na ye de bro shootout no ye transe ya fisem no nko a ene ye bana ya babedidi de onkomo atwetwe onkomo na boa na nema enso akoye pretimi ramantike ho kozizi ebe trama ma no na abo ye be peje mu na fe na minim DJ Tofia kwa ababa be transe ye on sesem no ewramu kama pa etimi edi ama na senete ene ye be wramu enso o the Ghana Football Association maso ye ezanzoro ani chema omo abomo dia net ni etimi epa Access Bank omo ene Division 1 League partnership no ntoma ye brand ye didi dia onkomo na ya boana ne makoyi pa etimi edi ama after no ye besa wramu the Ghana Premier League no so no ya hwesere nsensem si etiene ne ma ebobo etimi ereba other news no enso beba ababe wramu na aboama tutu na koyi pa etimi edi ama kama na afi bibia enso adeda yeso etimi ramana tetem so no nsam ne beba medini abudiabi bishop of Fidium apostle wa saso na Michael Akomia Michael Asaibuadu amunyina wa producers no ye Rocky Junior ye wa Branty Efene Nas and afi so no Ricardo Vaz omunyina techia omo eboama ne madadi na afi Lutaken so no eteche pampe na ya trans ya jumadi no ye di ebrona mo makede acho zenipa na mo adeba ko hia pa ne ya wapom de no apom ne be koyi a eniema wudi agu yam no na ema ahode ntinye bebi a ene wo se nipa udidi ezanzo ye wadwen so obesesa bebi edi edi aguma how bebre na no so no ebetimi era bre na mekanfo edi ama se bebi a obedidi enya ahotoso enya ahoto ama ahode no for ni echemo X5 restaurant and pub ho na yeboa na wenye aduane no ademu edepa de wudi a obonza ni je ni wie pe no enso o maso ye na senete yesi na ebenku ne tilapia na pe ze benku ni okro super na stew no on sabetimi akebi fufuo no enkwane ya soto na jeze different no kwa oje akakra waje akakra waka bomu awie wame niam ekoyi pa etimi edemand se ne no eye fufuo no ne tilapia nkwan na ape eremunam na ope aponche na ape nyemre ne nwa ni nyina no yebeboa na on set mi akemina ne ma de da yepa etimi edi ama jollof rice na pe ena afi mutu ampesini wachi ni nyina no yeboa na ne ma de da yesoro etimi edi ama ma on soro on sa etimi akeme pa cho hoho bi ene fi ama no ne ababa be rum e waso ye na edi ma ne se local food no obedi a oro ani chemo ma so mo ewo entoto awdo na ebe edi ama na ebe ma wo ne ni age ene eba na special fried rice french fries ena afi pizza ene de ka kan ni nyina no ama bomode etimi edi yes drinks no omo de openi bibia o de ano edi ano emre eho no oro on sabe kebi yenuanom nkramofo omo sombosom omo kwa asori omo so osum foforo mu no obetimi akoro wakwa kodidi esanso omo nhehye no omoje obi atum weboa emane makoye pere omo ho kese a wedding reception no adwumekonfo bi na mpese mokọ ne koko didi di mo nkomo ni nyina no oni omo di nkita ho ebeboa na yetimi e de aha o aye na abafie abadinto zenne punu bi na monto na ye kese pa no mo beze nuane no ye no ano different de ba order form na mane omo nkasa omo bedi udwuma no simple kra e di amount 0549 609697 0549609697 opo mo a crow from opsi KFM no omo eye adwuma ebo ama na makoye pa enso etimi edi emomo ero wani chemo Kimfaizo omaso omataka ye friend Zuberu Ibrahim weramu Montenegro ebo adwuma da matima ye formo Jedinsvo FK Jedinsvo hona nei weru okono akakobo adwuma branti obekia na ekenkaze oramo Austria akakoye adwuma netimi ara strong grass yes yokoye no ba no entimi andeda dintine no waramo FK Jedinsvo odo wani chemo enso Montenegro omo first league no hono okono wakakobo adwuma na aboama ne madeda yepa etimi arama Ibrahim Zuberu ntia no ye de aba betodwe do nkomo no ye dan wona ntoto no akoyi soro etimi ediama enufio na uramo coach friend Ignatius Osefosu ojamu edema Dreams FC edebizan said this season ankasa no nhye na odi aguna kwamoro kwambe so na Dreams FC ebe jom na so games no on betimi abo na ne makoye pera ma nkomo sei e no bo modern etimi adijai
keep more clean sheets because we don't hope that if people watch the highlights you will see that all the chances that fell the way of Sharks were 50-50 chances and we're not just actually clear-cut chances, and that's how we want to play, that your chances will come off the set pieces, and so if you don't have enough set pieces against us, then we are winning the game.
Etia no yan command ne obo mo de to dwa otieri okana on a day no be defend ye na o maboa na ne ma de da ye pe timi era mo nto on a day no se set pieces na maybe a ebeboa mo anya gu ebe dem pa se be remedy ama na ebisa no se last season no na goals no consider na doson na this season no chance ye no away from say obobo pre-season no e de baba be ram e league no obo one match no wa keep clean sheet e cheza ampa fi no wa ye chuo ye na eno nso no nche mu kakra se na eno nso esi etia this time round no away no se goals or consider na so ebetimi ate
games we had clean sheets, so we have been working on the defenders. We have been working on, and we realized that it wasn't individual errors like people were speculating. It had to do with the team structure and the team organization whilst we were defending. So throughout the preseason, we focused much on the defensive aspect of our play, because we knew that we had players who could score goals, but we didn't have players who could defend. So, in the modern era, if you want to be a championship team, you've got to have a solid defensive base. I always say that any tactical approach is nonsense if you don't get to the ball first, and to defend you must get to the ball first. So the approach can be in a
Etia no yan komo bo mo de etimi edijaye said this season no ana modern football na ye bo no tactically also nya defenders o mo ye adwuma ye pa ne no ene bebo ama ne makoyere ama izanzo opeso baba be champion enye se wabiem na obo e wo so kun abefa so be defende enho ne bo ama hihye no koye kama so no etimi edima yen kokoro mo pram ne hwe ene adwuma de na etimi e course no ene se de na onkomo na esi etie ni nyina na se ni Access Bank for no edi ababa betudwa se afie da yenim no omo hwe abo na the Ghana Premier League na sepo no Ghana Division 1 League no oma baba be so ase na ne makoye pa na 1 year no yesi partnership no nkomo bez $250,000 ene be ko etimi rama Division 1 no na aboa ama ne makoye pera na dwumadie na se no ye hunze ne ama deda din MOP impa ono ye General Secretary de Ghana Football Association na o join abon presentation no se na ne ma yesi e ko no se won totoye no esi etie no na e koso no na uzampa ye kukuru check yi abomode era championfo ni nsem no kakraka na bia so $250,000 ye gina ye de aba be bon bra na ne ma deda ye pa etimi era won na lawyer Prosper Harrisonado ono na General Secretary de the Ghana Football Association odin komo akra komo se no bomode ere tudwa
to the premises of the Ghana Football Association. This is the home of football in Ghana, and we are always excited to have the patrons of the game coming to join us to develop the game. I have said that for me, I was given the talent to maybe read law. Other Ghanaians, we have been given talent to play football. And so our duty is to create the enabling environment for them to exhibit their talent so that they can have livelihoods for themselves, their family, and their community. And so we are excited to have a new partner coming to join us in our quest to create that environment for numerous of Ghanaians who have the God-given talent to play football. On that exciting note, I welcome you all to the Ghana Football Association premises for this wonderful event.
Etia no yan komo na pimpa ye friend lawyer Prosper Harrisonado bomode ere tudwa omo bibia kwaba zeno omo the Ghana Football Association omo so ya omo bana dwumade no ya baba be pa ontoma na boama na makuo so omani age se no omo ne Access Bank for eba be dinkita ho no omo ba ababe so Division 1 nim na boama na mada ye pa ere amom after no MD ere ma Access Bank opimpa ye friend Olumide Olatunji bomode edin komo kakra on neba no maba no dwumade omo baba be di aboama na makuo nkomo sei no no so before the FA today is to see how we can ensure that these names are many more in the contract, many more. And I think the partnership that Access Bank hopes to working very closely with the FA is to provide that financial support to ensure that the funding required, all that is required to ensure that the talents are nurtured, discovered, Atia no yan koma ne open pa no ye MD Rema Access Bank ni dino ye friend Olumide Olatunji ebo modere tudwa enso onom chezo omaba no omaba ba beboaze so mbeboa na ne man kwizanze Ghana ye bibia a talent ni obi pa division 1 no ogiri sen kakra bibia ebe de din na omohwe ne mu se we no ebe so abapa na aboa na fanu no obi enya ne diama ne makoye pa etimi ediama ne ye romo brekum Chelsea omaso ye awu Dramani enso ye play obo ejuma etimi edi emomo na Dramani na nra oyo omo game na etodwa na obo no modin ye pa e modern boy ne sere ne mensiru am na nya reketo akra na ye bisa na se ne first game a obo etimi edi ama brekum Chelsea obo modin etimi enya MVP no o share one goal assist back na the first game na nka so jam boy no se no si ehu game no komo sei e no so edi jai
no kure ndo na me bom first game edema brekum Chelsea and then me go game ni mo no me sa ke me ho di aka the game so no manage me bo edema brekum Chelsea no ko no anije pa anije wala no kure ndo
ya no yan koma ne abranti a ye friend Awu Dramani ebo modie ne edi ya ne nyina ebo ama ne madadi so no etimi era fa no na eto aso bisa no ze ne Kim Pfizer for no e na modern mo no na e wo fema na se mo mu team no na no edin bi wa ze nra na over baby ankofo e Kansas Chelsea bo yo ma boy ano edin na se ni mu team no na no edin
ni na ye workout a ye ko ye two preseason from me die ya ho odin na edin ebo omoso a it me say no mo nye better say no be very good because how the way I know mo so possess ball na this is some my game but ajumadin na ko ye no na mjiti
ejuma coach si no ana ne coach ye ono ho no eno e kan bi na aboa ama ne makoye petimi edi emomo
antia e me de no an say me buy no true preseason no coach because of how the way attack here do one e do so e opponent half ni mo le ni na start e wo preseason ni na mo nti e mo coach na ba so because me fan so no na ama sa quick transition no ye de ewura mu sa nti I hope say no so de e coach na ase o de ewura system ni mo
Atia no yan koma ne obon mode etimi edija ya otiri oka erinche mo de eba na jeze coaches no omo ayejuma omo ho pa e kan obi na ebo amane madaye pa etimi erba montie no ye de Ghana Premier League Bet Power Ghana Premier League 2022-2023 ene sha se amra game back course e wo doma inkro ya bo mode edidi dia on komo ebo ma hihye ne koye pa etimi erma ntini before na transma me komo na ye nin komo akra ne rese de niam esi eko ojama kwaba na bibia she yi de na eno no settle bibia de dana kwa mu kama pa eno na e de anyum no
Ludwig van Beethoven Symphony Orchestra
okay
akraketo bi disika koto obi a obodi no nim say Symphony Orchestra na no mbaba man ntino ebeba na ya chechem say ya ni papa nemum ye kai wo kwasi ada ko also wo baba yara stadium ho emma obi andadaw emma obi nkansema enim enchrew bra so wa ma stadium a adwuma no ebeye de enti bra kota kwachi no muntimi nsi akan no munhye sama mfama ho de ankota o machi a mojo mu agegem ebe hadwe wo koso anko patros e ma nwurem tu esika na bokotoko akohoma na enko na nye kama central for kwa ya ma pass fako na enko fa guest bi abontin for bu mewrem menduebo ko na ko bo na nye so ti ase na bi atimi nye kama Awu Dramani last season zone 1 on na midfielder o share goals no ni ball so bo pa o kraza won nti de bro ni friend step up for Ghana Premier League ni mom uhia ahoboa na sa ahoboa no na omu coach de omu be hye Kumase e de omu konkran e ma omu siesie omu se omu ba be Ghana Premier League ni bia omu de be boy nti utie ni nkasa ni mu a o se on kasa Kim Pfizer nya de e bia da no na omu ho oden e bro omu so and it's true they were physically fit omu jina brani nti no omu chill so omu ne bobo na masa omu di hu agro pa here goes na ne here na no pa na bra Chelsea for to ball ne said omu to da me no pa nti no I'm say so. Quality preparations bring results, and it's pretty clear. Say a word Dramani any Brekum Chelsea. Say no message season national. Deep prepra any lack of an experienced player for the Premier League. And no more newcomers. Almost so bomb game. Into Kabibia for income for you clearly see this is a team more Nyoma on meeting Diomoduma. Especially first goal now. A word Dramani man measure Casante. Look at the exchanges. Bra, you need that ball on control pass. No money. On we are cracket a word man usa. And on the boy. Say Chelsea, we don't boni yabra on beton. On beton one casancasa. On beton, Namibia, come. You know, I mean, let's be honest, let's be sincere with ourselves. Say the better side won on the day. Tiembo better side Nabaso.
Can vaz on next game on Indiana.
I Monday, crow, and run out. A buyer. I that's it. Nemu near here and say, almost I had the money a betty of law. There was a much offer. I'm share 3-1
and I was more better more. The aviso was have a share.
You set some young Mamma Kayan can say, Macon.
Match day 2 na Kifisa akosho mo. It was a match day 2. It was mo for match day 2 se mi bi mra ha.
Match day 2 ni nyina ne se o mo share 3-1.
It was match day 2
o share 1-0 and e ti do ma ho 1-1. And o mo be share 2-1 e si eche se e beti no. And o mo ye ne 3. Tino Brighter J beba Monday. E no be 2 na. O be sa ba. E no me bo pa. It was no Kumajo because
Friday there.
Massa, Kotoko Sunday.
Ya mi sure mo afi ye monko bibia o bat.
On better cover my moe de near patro. Aye.
O mo wo de ni wi.
Aye.
Na bi ki Friday pese be do be Santi Chrome be ye na mo fa kwan bi so ye.
Ye boy de wi anu abisu.
Na ma abetu a wo fo. O de ni wi ala. Oyab. Me ma on board de ni wi azara abetu a wo fo. Akobia. Na apostle awebo we ya ye hu ne ma ye. Bi o be de ko ide.
Kifisa na nkasa no. Apostle awe no. Oba last season doing their justify. Let me say openi the ones am yet assess apostle awe no. One never be the team na see na so. Let me say Onkosi aga o.
Na apostle awe mo da so.
Well, opo afra ne mo na ebo. Apostle
Ndi akonecha obebo. No brother me catch up. Go asem dey wo mi. Sunday na Adriana any has airborne. Can find our players in the technical team if airborne.
O za tam ni na no ma ba.
They almost airborne.
Oh, okay.
Adriana send your music born.
Oh,
they have access. And Adriana so share Monday can find her.
any Chelsea match. It always will.
It almost into Obian Young can tell some match in the FA. Look, two Kusi or Kusi.
Samuel Kusi.
Wouldn't bother Boba.
Yeah.
Now against Chelsea, they lacked fight, but you could see Kusi was taking the game to Chelsea. And no wonder Baba Mahama be free chain by
Baba Yaya.
Massa.
Baba Yaya, very good player.
Adriana for notes now,
Hey, Baba Mahama. And Baba Yaya.
Baba Yaya. Baba Yaya. Yeah, Baba Yaya.
Short guy.
Yeah.
Massa.
Super. He's one of the players that coach not buy. Not of free bench the Taiba and the Nurudi. Coach ne buy every single match can face a play. That guy started the game.
I don't know share really. I don't know share. I also ask on the share Kotoko. On the ku on Mauli wayu.
Jeff.
I'm gonna hear Kotoko for one mapa.
Solid player.
Adriana notes no my almost say Baba Yaya they would have to play him. I was almost born. So me to me boy because boy in the on the ball.
One the bomb number 10 in the hole.
On the ball. Only Kusi hard. So I said. No, these are two teams on minimum. On Baba Boman, they'll be one. Yeah, bra. I don't have for the Kumasi me. Douglas Wilson and Sakamasi. Kwame Adom from Paul Kumasi. On whom you know never bomb Fifi. The Bianca attack no. Send your home Solomon, Awaje, Brighter J.
Oh, I be too much for. The fights are them is a bit too much for as a game. While Fini and Pet say be called do Bibiana. Asan baba ye you be chance you home na Mediana be sure do. Hey.
I was looking for.
Yeah, no,
and how our city waking up this season in terms of their recruitment, I was not so much impressed with some of the players on mobile. Looking at the quality and the good how I expect some come sign more upcoming players from even Division 1, Division 2 and bring them in. I'm telling you for a fact. I'm not saying Godfrey Siama is a bad player. On a good day, he's unplayable. But Godfrey Siama is not a player you can trust. So
with what kind of trust?
It's not a player you can league, pray for relegation at the end of the day. Now, but because more consistent performances. And you definitely have to play Godfrey Siama. I will buy a position at the point in time. Either so one right wing, left wing, and adding Beba number 10. And also no. I bet no go tete. I bet no go tete ne kifesa no man na omuhia ne se omo de beka league ni.
I bet.
No.
What they? So I don't know or experience power your league anymore.
Abu. Kifesa here goes. If you want to replace Osman,
Ibrahim Osman.
Ni goes awashe. And I will replace Zuberu Mauli wa you omo miensa any Osman. Zango for miensa. Ade omo de mark Kifesa the first half of last season no. Who will place here?
But when me King Faisal so yeah this omo keep last year omo copper.
Yes, Zuberu ko. Why you call baby any go start?
Enoch Morrison so ko.
Omo season now.
Ibrahim Osman so asan kokotoko.
Enoch Morrison was playing as the first nine at the point in time.
And Richard Akrofi so ko. And Pius so ko.
Pius so ko.
Hey. Pius that is the no anti or South Bantibi as or South Africa more baby. Okay.
That's the issue. Oman contem. Pius no omo pet. Look, let me be fine with Daniel. Orlando Pirates wanted to sign him.
Oh, okay.
But they went late. Omo facilitated Nimo the contract on one said, but Oman content.
It will stay off for some time.
Since Zuberi so akopiem or Serbia.
Yeah.
Until attack ni de Bruni Beka say Zuberi ni ho, Osman ni ho, Morrison ni ho.
Wayosu
ni ho. Ntino. I'm the for about community training times so I'm on the back. So,
it's a poor friend.
The only problem is that coach now man them. Christopher, any no access or any other job there preseason. Any being a Bruni said any or nyai. It's a munya bullshit.
Last season, not Sabian in a movie last season.
Listen.
Yes.
Alaji must be serious. Team no baby do no. Niema, if he really want to run this team very well, he need to put his feet down. That you can't lose 6 to 7 regular players of your team. A teamer, one can say, even with them, who start a year, and then you struggle to survive on the last day. Okay, the game against Wafa or Sogakope. You know what you have to go through. The Ebe see that Ben Akinfesa Sebesebiu. They will continue to behave like toddlers in this league. I mean, Alaji, what do you respect? We are football. Who are football, who wisdom, but say translate it into team, no? Say, Kifes, I name someone for young, talented player, develop your mo. Emma, Omotimi, a cockle, crab, a patch, or a players. I work Kifes. We should go back to those days. You produce great players. And the Division 2 for top players, 2 million. Alaji Utonshila Eliasu, 1 million after 2006 World Cup. What does that mean? If baby away do know, if you think that one Kasano who need the energy and the right Nyanko for let them come and buy percentage shares of King Faisal and run the club professionally. Oh baby, you should be the grandpapa when it comes to football. Now Crawford look up to the model of King Faisal. Did they be a club? Did they be a one? If it's not Lalasu like to beg to survive, then it's about players are one. Omo call a comedy omo come on. I mean, my small clubs in Yana Alaji, you should be the one advising. So while we are, with what you respect, it's not right. Then you must sit up. Uncle George Makumo, those friends the club must sit up and be more serious. Who lose player? Half a player. Who lose no crowd? Let's say Pius who turn our approach. Say. Nyame bie kwane eton eno edisika ebe back.
Oh, no, grandma is a free agent. A free agent.
I'm even saying that, look. I'm even saying that. If you are Sebasa players here, they are going for good money. A good investment.
Yeah.
Club no benya sika papa. Now Sandy be a koton kola papa bimu. That one, that's how you do the business. Sabi okay, first almost need the league necessarily to win the league.
Yeah.
And no buying and selling should be their main priority and objective. And no over per coach go out there, get young talented like Adriana Kofa and I cancel more Abaja. We're speaking about Godfred Poku yesterday.
Poku
These are Gabriel Mensah Obemo
Yeah.
in the second. These are young talented players. They are all over the country. And no fast of players on one side, oh high kakra. On bet me meeting international requirement of player, on bet me the resale value. In fact, was Obama was a ton. So that should be the main objective of your team. Oh,
Zubairu.
so look at them. Yes.
Jabbar for Islamic. These guys, you know, on picky but they are young as what Enoch Morrison Koye, Kim Faisal, Neska.
Top players, you don't let them go for free. It's wrong.
You know, more
And you're right. You have invested resources into them, time, energy, giving them platform. And you're an investment. We're chop on them.
This is what 1 year can do in football. I feel back up.
Yeah.
Position now can pass our homes this year. Adriana and the womb last season.
It's true.
Losing players, and replacing with the desired quality to the point where almost party season never can pass our coin. Not Adriana one strike and a back one and a half.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I knew a brighter Jane. By an and your madam. Intino Mahama Justus Tosuchi or Solomon Abuaji or Brother J or and I Gabriel. I was meant Sasso. Intino options are. So what I say. But can was a problem when they say some of the quality were dependent on certain conditions. Osman Yubidia. Or my last man permanent. Mauli Wayo a conform. Morrison. Contract
Mauli is there on also charity stars alone or babo.
In the middle of the season, we injury to or trials were outside the country.
A Juman near Juman.
No, Sabai.
I'm paying that for no good Cote d'Ivoire, Constance by Embassy, or the Bassness are
Yeah, but
for charity stars, the ultimate is to sell Mauli.
yeah, but for when with no disrespect, you can't face charity stars, please. They are not mates. Near my charity, I'm saying that King Faisal has done better in the past. And so, and we are not, Adlaji is still alive and is running football. And so, near my why then do you abandon? Maybe Adlaji, with all due respect, why do you even go for a lone player? Unless player is exceptional and there's a special arrangement where the ton of Club so like Hazovo did with Prince Tego. There's a special arrangement at AC. But apart from that, there are so many young talent. You don't pay too much from Division 2 and even Division 3 and Division 1. There are long young talent. You don't pay much.
Midfielder, Latif Abdul, of a free Tamale, Esro, and the Baye Justify. Edmund Kimfesa, and now he's a starter, one of the most important players in the setup.
Isaac Oponema. How much do you pay for him? I'm saying that there are so many talents all over this country. You don't sell back low no just a player no one or a player be a bet me a boy am I a ton crowd only club now cut off or Gino Films over arrangement be so say banner say or ball league na or qua and this will be to West Africa. But apart from that, there are so many young talent. Adriana Macha, yes, she and right. Young guys on the boy in didn't they excel? How many of them, many of the young guys on the now if you pre and they buy? Division 2,
second division, third division.
Yes, that's the point. So I'm saying that you produce great legends. Yes. You understand me? You produce, I mean, from the best defender in the history of this country in terms of achievements. You produce from that to Sheila. To the extent that 206 Sheila to miss start after any for mistake, you know. And then he played it so well with John Mensah. As if Zekras on the national team about 10 years. So, for you are noted for that. And so that textbook now all the year I call him for. And a football no say be I call anymore. And it's not always enough to have a certain history. It's about edeno I call saying na edie na me yes na me so relevant.
To fat it the na necessarily see kono.
There be
o de no na pushi no.
There be.
Titi de de emfa.
Adjustment kakra be.
Nebebam.
Titi de kakra na de kakra.
Kakra na de oko.
Get a serious technical team, have 1 or 2 scouts to be going around watching tournament, Division 2. Yes. No more share my recommended players now. Your ball inter-schools competition. Have people scout there. Let them work for a team. Maybe I like it when you hand over the team to people that will do a competent job. Invest in it. And then quality players all over the world, they call them. And then the demand for players, quality players, I was structuring the supply. Tinama Sebiu, will be ball shot, Mirana boy did Yes, and then we don't have too many exceptional players all over the world. Few. And this back could be Peja, you know, a good kakra, born and was proper. And so, and that is the right time to allow you to start doing proper things to ensure that Washisha team average in Alaji's team by now should be 18, 19. Average age. Money to survive this season. By next season, they have experience, omanya platform, value appreciation. Nenya butre per coach or betimia boa or project nasi. Then after 1-2 years, when I go to Merikaba, has Baba Obejiomo. Where they be under 20.
Most of Baquaman on it, no so what Jomo.
So there's money coming in to sustain salary of playing body technicality. What do you say? And the boss, you have a salary cap over manage. I don't know because all the players division 2 banning they have salary cap.
Almost 7 share and you biasa. Oh, yeah, now if you know more scouting, no one be a team zero. You are there. I'm a fan crying in ball, no ball, second division. I'm a father, Bia. At this age, man. No.
A significant shift in policy. So what I say? A significant shift. Send you never be a name, maybe. Yeah, trim. Yeah, I'm not doing my players. Name that's what I say. Say need the Biana 1 billion. La career moon into business. Player. I'm not independent. Because I'm fast. Can you not go to my free banner and take it from me? The day Ubeti say free banner is available on the Ghanaian market, Adriana will be at the head of the queue.
A free banner.
A da Ubeti say it's a point down. Also, Tanagana out one boss.
When I'm medical and I'm the
to take my money. Name until then, no. Division 2 normal bond on my area on your representative. Sunyan area your representative. Sekwa your representative. Bekumere on your representative. Ashanti region had no your problem because Timo Oye active by Bekum Chelsea. And that was see we treat you and your man do level say you see you be Western region the near film. Say be near timidity now it's me a boy because it's me for national team play na are so I said you go so now no born a boy 2 of the players no for Atesico
I don't wine and wine
Neri 32 years about Atesico there was another person and also about Atesico Division 2 non born the man obo
okay
until one of free.
They are not also a bass this are support in a bow. 12 in a game no.
Strategic that they be American a treasure Sebiu they own the team near Modia. Where you one Modium team no until you're fat indigent. The fear 4, the Bussian 4, and when more others one young guys somewhere I bet you are more send a bay because Nipana onya Akwenya afraid to say attack wabe be coin ama other young talents or more say you your own kakra ben you understand sabo and when you have a local omo di omuti and a ejibo no omo di omo life
because the crew team no tenekawa
okone ho ama enyonyama bakro no what do you say is it like young player what it no for our youth side and now they have a youth they have a good under 20 side that yeah Mohammed a coach and I'm sure so based on scouting head coach it means that almost spotty other young brilliant talent almost their coaches share season no career by the next season next window transfer window sorry bonza ome PMP mienu miensan BS free ho e dia be that is Sunday that's what you do Oh, they are saying, Kifesa, the way they are going. Look, when you're lucky, they be as how. I to never see under Bisomo. Last minute, near Savior. Last minute, near Savior Musa. Last minute, one day, we go.
Very.
You can't always be struggling every year. Not there be a Debbie.
But five can fight our winning there.
It's not right.
7 key players.
So Division 1 also qua and some abeban.
Kobisa Liberty.
And some abeban.
Kono Kobisa Liberty ni tema youth. Ome chemacho. Kobisa BA United.
And I break Arsenal na bofo.
Nebisa bofo. Every Arsenal, unfortunately, because of the demise of Alaji, to wait in their share.
Yeah.
But some more tap BH. Penfaku good down, any bofo.
Still in fact.
So I add to you, but for political influence. Can to you. How many has so here imagine?
Very much.
On results. The best ever come as ensemble me ba.
Yeah.
And come. But because of Amanyo Sem from both political party and the NPP. And how our last minute because a coffee ma a Mguasiema and Tiomono omu lucky kakra. But other clubs any that privilege. And see Kiveza omunye very careful. Omunye more serious. I like the way why yes we in channel. And they should be more
but Monday there after Kotoko win on Monday made toward the family Adriana the Miami team but also Monterrey. Yampeze be bodu ma de we na can Pfizer biem na muhu alaji mobo na munye se be no jam te opa ya cho me ntu omfo no ye be ka e bo mo we be ha adwen de o ma chance ye no do Chelsea fo ni bobo ba me de me nura ma huni e ma biye Chelsea fo ni bobo ba me nura ma huni e ma biye
ini e be second Pfizer be ka mo e china asembo bia ameti go ti time na ma cho ne mu se do ma hin e o do ma hin kro enya agro no di mo fa hwe mo na mo wi a mo hwe fixtures no league fixtures no na hwe time abono teams ne ball mo wi so fa league fixtures no so wada bi wini e china no pa me ba me ma mo cruise ni team adua na e bo o de o china
oh te won kakra che me
there be also
china say adua na ba do ma hin kro
yeah
Sunday Wednesday
Wamba.
From your match not 5. The jar referees quite more McCoy, jar match commissioner quite a jar has quite real. Offer me sending me me draw now about 6:47. Me finish your now about 9:52. 8 minutes to 10. It's the answer so no listening. Now you see, enough family say, and I say, we will catch me say hi. Me friend Kwame Chelsea. Nana Kwame say hi friend. Kwame Chelsea. Me friend Kwame Chelsea man on the so I say okay. I chino be ba stadium ha be hwe ball ni bi. Na me so na wa wo de kra wa mo o say fa me oben. Na kama no. Okudru wa. O say obetua omo winning bonus. Normally casual staff omo be ye adwuma o stadium ho no. Yetu omo ka by day. Cleaners and all that. Yes, I know where no stadium o. Say na be about no we didi. Yes, Sano man de I said Chelsea for no fakano. Ye line no white line in the idea and so on. I see the engineer was a Kwame Chelsea to Kwame by the Chrome Sabi Jessica. What I say? And no, yeah, into the oil and say, fine. On my bubble, no, we no more. Me sure say we and then winning bonus no kwa full on the kwa help us
ah 70 days on 2000 bisuma. I'm gonna came Pfizer ira.
Massa.
Me TV.
I'm winning next.
It's on my way 2000.
We but now see the I'm about born. I say I'm gonna summer text no more away no. And so I'm sure my deal winning bonus. You get that? Oh, Barry, you have few bread. Obebre. Omo a beti my outlier in Shatram. Because the
yeah.
Unza kotoko honomoda.
Yeah.
Until the others have also seen. To more expected kotoko would get it easier than Shatram. Because Omundi Masas already.
Oh, now, 3 years ago, before I honorable Cotton Shatram, no. When you take Kotoko, town and a sick on a ball friend of mine, 26 December.
Omundi Masas and so far. Omumbre. But the Akan, it will be tough. So what I say. And Mresona say, oh, from not Obi was through they will play a game to satisfy the union. Second round. Ntino kwaku saneti, but then the good thing is that omo chere bibia the others should learn. And ntino was a confines a leka kumasi no. At all costs, for Kotoko's good, I was confines a colleague.
Folk league triumph no. Me sure mudi against the Accra teams, and you could feel say a boa or more in terms of even aquan to be brave, so be to Kwanechi, or could do webinar for Kwako Shemi, all of these things. Has forgot to play, I think, 3 consecutive games at Accra Sports Stadium. Obo Olympics. Obo in Obo Legon cities. You see, which teams no Obo na Accra for na no about so salon the Kwako. Nobody is trying to insinuate any other thing. It would fear. But you have to understand, say, a part of football. And obi filtering munas on in the world ma a bow papa. Yes, it sounds good. No, is it the only team you can actually rely on? Kinfesa so only team of it to rely on him. Kotoko into mummy no sa friction kakra bi na ba last season. This is almost am and ba one will have to go down. One will suffer.
But it's as good in India.
As good in India. And last season, the Nedru baby no na ye. Bibi okaka. Tension ni grow ya to a certain extent. Say na incommodity the crowd has not even go on.
As compared to look at where Ashgold was. Where the Kotokoni Ashgold relationship was rather better. Than Omoni Kinfesa because of certain comments and certain posture. So this season, someone sorted that issue. Maybe Kotoko will not suffer West because Omono they have alliances. And whether you like it or not, Kotoko will top relationships with. But who can face them? One down for the wine. But sometimes the critical point is that wow, yes, Kotoko, no problem. But in critical moments, your point be why you cheat to them. So we the a two near dear.
Or there's our points with them in
yeah.
So
yes. Yeah, they cheat to them. Say a two near dear. What him say? A band neck to necker. Baby or how point of the yes. Neck to neck. Him say
do baby a dear.
I don't know what can one say it.
Yes. Liga but so the league actually a boys pagaya left for pa.
Next one.
Who notices that?
Baku oh.
So like a peliga agenda basu ne board come da. For pa.
Did you check Salis?
Now Mayoka. Moti my yeah. Nyadwa cry ya mi ya de bia Mayoka. Mayoka. They will do every not near ya no. I mean whatever reason fixtures in Obon say na Madrid a boy jai. Alabo Mayoka san cry ya basu na match.
Na Mr. Ferguson dem accuse small Newcastle. Ferguson. Nim clan na omo ball Manchester na omo coach.
Omo be mi house
is everywhere.
Kotoko. You can continue. Me say o sacrifice a colleague.
Very important.
2. Be any go start or some colleague.
Yes.
You know Kotoko.
Yes.
Yeah. Kotoko now the biggest alliance in the league for politics. A band match. Alliance no.
Easy crown. Easy.
Oh, from. Look. Say they made the ama here points or doma, and our takwa against it easily. They will find a way to get the point.
Even in Brekum, they will find a way.
They will find a way to get the point.
Yes. Even when you
Bechim,
go to Bechim,
they will find a way.
Ombenya no
Karela.
easy to get. Even Karela
and
no class still they will find a way because of sending people.
The time no so where will Kotoko find a way?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Even when they did it in Great Olympics, because chairman any Olobo very time chairman former CEO of Olympics, Amaka is very close to George. So you see how
yes. For the production Kinvasa so nyo mo nyoma yi awaz mo nyoma yi na mo colleague by no start after Monday I don't know what
is that's a block committee about your opinion na chenga
Debbie
who your management opinion na chenga
Debbie enya sa na ye kan
na nya sa na kana de na
ka person me trend say
implementation no
because ultimate players need be beka obetimi be beka
one is the adwen that team as o ma be show 3-1 last season wa be share na this season so person be share no
Bonizuma yete ho last this year no you say omum biem
and what's up Pesula we bo game win
Na me catch up Sompa. Onya buche.
Pursue that so. I'm falling bra.
But Abu, I did I can't disagree. Look, sure, it's everywhere. Football, no? These are the strategic operations. Everywhere. Relationship, Juma of football, baby, it's everywhere. From FIFA level, CAF to Federation, everywhere. Untiasia, no untiasia.
Morocco, actually, near my bravo.
Now, baby, Ima Afcon, no? Ever saw Kosovo.
I know what you be able to.
Then I said, "Oh, we see we almost supposed to be." Yeah. So on the CAF champions.
A man of Coromesa
Oh, Morocco now.
Na CAF champions. Elozo was a cobolo.
Oh,
I was so. Na Morocco asida be brade. Oba do ba si ache do.
Dabi. Uni me asida no tiase. Uni asida volume ko here. Yes. Untiase. That is what we are talking. That's football. Say attack kan uti ofia not be untiase. Say ya cancel CAF Champions League final you born no sesi ano you born home and away sesi akra no you pese you born in neutral venue na ya sheda ma Morocco abidi na Senegal abidi no nipa na o Senegal every president or first vice of CAF e be do 1 week and also Senegal akra fe no maka facilities no be meeting stand to withdraw
mo wa no stadium no no
o withdraw na aka Morocco time no yen timi fan command country full fraud because obey den ya 1 week they prepare because na pese cap no ye den work nji Peter Bufu ye nyina no we hu plan no so ni boss we hu plan nyina we akra so okay country be obi antimi host in 1 week is ya where we Dakar Morocco and when are we here Morocco
Makoje
thank you very much football no omo dey adase because of more boys papa no ye CAF president ho na mu chichiri agbo no
to one also mukusa
thank you no it will cost almighty Ali president Mahmoud Khatib esun ye kan sem Peter crack for the first time did in the boss Batimu oh man because I didn't ashishe your conference was
I ya can say call to them all or your camera or it you all
Dabi
oh
my we are grown o does it even make sense yeah we ya na yeah we ya ati in 24 hours na you say ano ya na kan yes abo say home and away finance how much achieve objective dem
into confess and there on came at all costs in the attention
ba Monday nen kan
obi amra
agrone form
balaten na yem na nye kama confess our first game ni na Sunday ko qualify Monday na confess aswaba
Monday na can find as washe
until
there's all kind of
that person bisa say mpacho se ko to ko anom me mo bo ni Saturday
I don't know mbo bole we ba chere Saturday na na mo so mo pere Saturday
no say you say person test pack
ura bi mo test oh dabi
Sanam we are training for Sunday
agomia say omujitu gazi mo match ni Saturday quiet yase
yente ase mo bi ambo no
aduana e bobo Saturday awako baba dabi
pack na why dey
e ko so pack no
ko dia oh nti afia dey o ye bibi o pack no so
ya boss so amaki face afo
ba we for the kakra na afia na ye page mo akomi aye
nyame adom ochina on say normally ye Sompa duase no the notable topics na na break tifo ni ahwefo but this time around no we are going to dive deep into discussions when it comes to the Ghana Premier League it is Sompa duase no say oba anopa na also anopa na so TV na TV radio now who say we are talking about the GPL now you be break every single statistic down in the GPL near the experts so aba ebi the referee beba decisions being in your maybe
referee came in beba decisions be one chance
no abechichire ni bibia
you know players need more chances go Premier League coach Babetina na on so church and say movie azum na fi the statistical lowdown coronavirus there ba they me see e bia no
chana me say Jumadi no duana se be de pa and afi e wo ha na week ni nyina de no mo so ani so no na mo atwena ba no so abe kasa kakra e wodua na se
mo de mo so ani no on na bedi kan be kasa
baraba no zo guso to anti ma di one no bet power Ghana Premier League mrantie no na uze na mo so ani Kofi Mensah Richard Baidu Awu Dramani okay
Ukwa akoto aba
you know adi awan kuna nka de
I am in shout on Sunday ni I meeting
Mama kora me for call sere kakra na baby rogi o ma ba unti yanko 0551931931 0548931931 Aba yo dia ne baby a o ka sefi
ya dia bi Junior Karama one with a people crew
Baba jo meet you
protocol ball Rama TV and Abasabon water group radio station protocol na omoboy about let's say my and my team here the back cry and say team say marking a boy ya lose 2-0 and a debate can a day baba ya a year and supporters will spend up the next to a phone call no more because action move 3 and Saraya Sabo Martin Debbie Karama one and
Jama wate be dance pa ba we fogu a be ba jo obetimi a join na wa bana so do dia ba be ba jo dia ni baby a o kasa fi
me pa cho ibona shine ni mi do timo adatu for ba papa pesi na mami mo ma baso na kinfesa o ma nyo mo homework year this season team bi ani obe mo obe ebe ye se o ja ni wa mo ma o ma sho mu because league no ye startia u bo home now we ni kokwa we na kwa nya point bi na first na no timi nya point bi a na second round crowd board do e be boa until you shoot if you no lose so man here ya tell temale ho no team ba ko bet na kwa relegation na ka che region so ba kwa na e bi agro ha ko ti na me here no on here ya team bi so bet na kwa relegation wo ami face
ateme so me da se pa be pa cho dia ni baby a o kasa fi
yes sir Robert me can say fi coaching kwasa na mi ja ibo ta te ni je se fi ami ana ma pasuna ibo azu ko bi en ko ye on ta wa ta ni fe se wa ta na o ta wa ta se ya azu ko bi ti ni ye wo su so bi di amana o ga azu ko bi ti ni ya la se Sunday no abu ne se pa ka je 3 point ne bi ti mo ni mo ha papa isa se o mo se mo ha ne se se pe ko no abo se mo se next season Sunday na bibi abetu akwe na 3 point ne ya dina inja se nya bo na ye bogu ta ro ndo ya bomba se ende de abetu ya se bibi akwe na kotoko so ti olu tu merase
Mateme so merase pa be ba do dia ni baby a o kasa fi yes abo
so mo le taxi do so bia
ba cho meet you
no ye e ba no stress ko so pa e cha cha ma de yo e so just this one o ba station we ya go that me just go me house me and so for the ball mama so so mo bon ni anu so ni papa papa na yo so has yan pali ko yetim nya o ko ta ma ni tibri nyo anya ko yes but the bon mo na mo chet ni ba that's
Ateme so merase pa lo dia be ba jo dia ni baby a o kasa fi
hello good evening
yes sir
apoma
me wo ye na zo e
na apoma no ko kwabra ko to ni ka fe frike tia
kwabra yanko
mo di ma pe mo wa ba so na di ma pa mo ye ma me ba ko to ko so atu anu ade mo mi ji nfufu ma no ko me ho pa yes ma se ni zo mutimi ne era no bo zo mutimi ne ye ere bi e bon pa ya so mutimi ba ko fo ne ya kwa ko ye bi tadi omo obi nton transia insure busu ko no ta en nton transia mo da e bon pa so ba ko fo ne ya ko ye ne ta ko pon mo nya eduma bye bye
mato zo ni nyame ntra me ba cho dia ni baby a o kasa fi
Mr. Y
yes sir
MC Roni Bokro
Baba cho meet you
I we koma kotoko me bo ma baso o se abaso bo no enye kasa keto e wodi ni pan be ya nsa me abona baso enu a satam ya na ni pa e wad na badaloma me bo mo sports no abaso ntenifo no me bo ma baso se mutim na ya data
oh we fi so me hwe na me ramu na me for bi e wo ha nom na ye ko odian ni baby a o kasa fi
yo fantastic Javi
Mayola ni ana
Mayola ni fantastic Javi
Mayola yanko
yo Abu Javi
alo so mpɛ fo na ma se e da ma se adwuma pa mo ba mo bo e ma Ghana football em don ba mo wa ba ambassador Ghana football e da ma se ni na mo se ene e kizu e fro mo mo peke adi en football de mo chere ko ma fa to mo me se o na o bo bo e da ma se ni adwuma pa mo bo e
Mate, me da se pa Mayola. Me pa cho tiene baby a o kasefi.
me bin Simon me ka se speak ya
Simon mitio.
me ka take for sa for na mo me se ma ya pa mo ti
Mate Simon no dia born a simple side to me e de e ma me ntuno. Ma me na me fa ba ko na afi me pija me mu ne enko. Na me ni beba na aba beto aso etimi e de amount me hwe na me fa obi e wa. Me ba jo una atwa to tiene baby a o kasefi.
What did you make a separate meeting? Go with family.
Ayaku yanko.
We didn't know what to call place near Domas. I mean, show. Yes, let's say, I don't baby, woman said it, and no more any view. Bye bye.
Mate, me pa cho me fa we twa to odiane baby a o kasefi.
what you na national
Yes sir.
kwe adwatu
Kwe yanko.
so bi de jino pa fa to half team nya e be yo me wo yie bon me nya so hwe bi Sunday no oye kotokoni na what you me bi bi e be damp e split that to me yie go pa wo do ma out of 90 again me no that come o man that come sa ye bo just 67 minutes no be be do say e ti bi ye me nya de no mum ye mo ko no me se bobo ti me yie papa me na me bo Sunday football made in a class of folk and you do against Olympic the club you have on back at the third kilo of the Calibu movie near my opinion junior the started of the this guy that yeah one of the years you know and this year
Mate, me da se pero pem na minimum to aso ama na yambo chira Ghana Premier League ye be rera mo baby a na ye didi nkomo na bo ama na ma ko ye pere ama ya kram ye ko DJ Tofi akwa e di na minimum to aso de ama mo
21st clinic say eba sciatica